How much you do? Just right.
Every day, do. Every day, do.
Every day is soup. Every day is tea. Every day is.
Hey yo, what up everybody? Sorry. Let me tell you something. So the reason why I'm here to announce you guys, African Festival is coming up on 31st of May. So guys, get ready. It's all about the vibe. It's all about yes to the world. I'm happy to see you all there. Don't miss this shit for real, you know. It's all about the vibe. Let me vibe again.
Soup. Every day is soup.
Fresh every day shook.
And you know what? Don't forget the music videos coming out tomorrow night. Get ready. Yeah.